Hello guys, what is up? This is Polarbeatz and I'm in the Ragnarok X world today. So right now ipapakita ko sa inyo yung main build ko, and that's gonna be an INT Shortbow Haste skill type Ranger, yung ating build for this one. And this is our main build. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell para maging updated kayo sa mga bagong videos natin. Alright, let's go. Alright, so ito po yung stats natin, no? So we'll focus on the int status, and also yung extra, that's for dex. So first is int, and that's the main stat that we have, and also our secondary is dexterity. So we're gonna go here. So we have the weapon, Imperial Guard Shortbow, the one that I currently have, but I'll change this one. I'm still gathering materials for gold weapon. So we have here, since this is a short bow, that's haste and P attack, and upgrades that I have is 140, and the refinement for this weapon is +4, and I can get final haste 15%. So for the enchantment, this is not yet final, but hopefully I'm gonna be planning to put pure Frontera enchantment on this. That's dexterity. I'm sorry, int status for the enchant. So currently I have 3 Bigfoot cards, so I'm focusing on the neutral enhancement. So I have here 3 cards. That's 30% for neutral attack, and that's for the weapon. So we're gonna go to the accessory. So I have a Lord's Earring, level 80. That's int, since I'm focusing on Falcon attack. So I have here int status, or int accessory. So my upgrade is still level 35, and still waiting for the materials to complete. And I have a +5 refinement for this, so I can get additional int, that's 12%. And my enchantment here is pure int. And I have 2 cards attached to this. That's Marine Spear card for my final P damage bonus 6%. And the one that I got from Ultraman event, that's the Ace card. So I have an additional 15% for P attack and magic attack, but focus on the P attack. So our second accessory is the level 90 blue accessory. That's another int accessory. And I have +5 for the refinement, additional 12%. And for the enchantment, that's I'm gonna be putting here pure int. So this is just like a temporary one for dexterity here. So I'll be changing these two into int. And then I have here 1 card, final P damage bonus for my marine card. So I have 2 marine cards attached. So let's go to the talisman. That's the Viscount chant figure. And by the way, these 2 are level 90. Both are Viscount. So I got these 3 items here, or accessories and talisman, from gacha. So yeah, got lucky for this 3. I mean, all of this coming from gacha. I did not craft this one. So lucky me. So yeah, for my talisman, I have index Viscount chant figure, and I have yeah, level 4 or +4 refinement, so I can get additional int 4.8% in the talisman. So for this enchantment here, as you can see, that's haste. Since I'm a short bow user, so I need more haste. Since I'm focusing on int, I cannot get dex from the stats, or haste from the stats, because my dex is only 514. So I'm gonna be increasing this, but planning to change this, but still haste, but maybe on a different map enchantment. Yeah, but focus on haste as well. So I have 2 cards attached to this. That's Vita the card. Final P pen +6%, and another Ultraman Ace card. Additional 15% for my P attack. So that's it for the accessory, talisman, and weapon. So with regards to my armor, it's not yet fully built. I'm still trying to gather everything that I can do. So what I have here is a glorious magic coat. That's level 50, and still I have the enchanted for int. And my card here is for final physical defense 6%. And for my armor cloak, that's glorious collar, and +4. So the enchantment, it's not fully fixed yet, but we're gonna change this to intelligent, or int. And marionette card, I have here 20% additional max HP. And then our shoes, that's still level 50. These 3 are level 50, so that I can get the set effect for this. So additional final damage bonus increased by 2% for 30 seconds, and then it will stack up to 5 times. So my card here is Raydrick card. So yeah, not that good card, but still it will help me. And for the enchantment, still I'm gonna change this to int, and +4 refinement. So let's go to my headgears. So I have here a Benimaru card for P damage bonus 8%. And then for my eyes, that still I have a Benimaru card, and also another Benimaru card for the mouth. So I have 3 Benimaru cards. So yeah. So if you can see my haste here, so it's 3,796. So my variable cooldown will decrease to 23.6 seconds for all of my skills, and then the variable channel time is 5.9 seconds. And here I have 7.2. So if we're gonna add this up, so it's around 30. Yeah, 30, I think. Yeah, it's 30. 30 plus, or 30 to be exact. So I'm focusing on the haste as well. And hopefully I can get more, maybe P damage bonus or P pen for my Falcon attack. But that's it for the stats. And for my skills, just what I have here, it's not fully fixed though, but it's still fine because I'm going to be focusing on the Falcon attacks. So I need to have this Falcon Mastery, level 10, and then Blitz Beat, level 10, and then the Falcon Assault Steel Crow for plus. plus attack, and then 200% of it. So Falcon assault as well. And yeah, everything is temporary. So I have your I mean everything is just the passive attack. So the improved concentration, and then I have also true sight. But mostly I got all everything like for Falcon. So intimidation, like a stun, or yeah, or Falcon assault and blitz beat. So for this one I put also charge arrow for stun. So yeah, for PvP this is needed charge arrow. If you're a skill type, because you need to you're not an ag attack or you're not fast enough. So you need a stun. So if this stun, this stun, this also stun. So that's good. So for PvP this is good build. In and yeah, that's it for my skill and my stats. So let's go to the KVM highlights. Alright, so yan. Thank you so much, and I'm glad that you reached the last part of our video. So if this is your first time to watch our videos or to visit our channel, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for future updates and contents as well. So put down your comments below, and thank you so much, and Polarbeatz is out.